Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit an affidavit for a laptop scheme. First, carefully review your existing affidavit to pinpoint the exact information needing an update. This could involve personal details or scheme-specific data. Next, collect all relevant supporting documents, such as identification proofs or new address verification, to substantiate your amendments. Finally, always work with either the original affidavit or a certified true copy to maintain legal integrity throughout the editing process. Common edits often involve correcting minor discrepancies in personal information, like a misspelled name or an outdated address. You might also need to update details about the laptop itself, such as its serial number or model, if there was an initial error. Furthermore, some schemes allow for changes in beneficiaries, requiring you to add or remove individuals, ensuring all updates align with the scheme's terms and conditions for eligibility. For any substantial changes, it is highly advisable to consult a legal professional to ensure your amendments are legally sound and compliant. Every alteration made to the affidavit must be clearly marked and initialed by the person making the statement, known as the deponent. This step confirms their acknowledgement of the changes. The final and crucial step is to have the entire amended document properly notarized by a public notary, lending it legal validity and official recognition. Once your affidavit is correctly edited and notarized, the next step is to submit it to the designated authority or the laptop scheme administrators. Before submission, make sure to create and keep at least one personal copy of the complete amended document for your records. This is crucial for future reference. Finally, it is good practice to follow up with the scheme office within approximately 3 to 5 business days to confirm that your updated affidavit has been received and is being processed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.